Boston Kelintiklar klubuning mayri Enes Kanter Xitoyning rəhimsizlarcha mustabidligiga qarshi dunyo jamoatchiligi qilgan chaqiriqlarni yana kuchaytgan. Oldingi hafta Enes Kanter Xitoyning Tibetlar yurgizayotgan zulmlarini tanqidlagan bir sin filmini o'zining ijtimoiy taratquv hisoboti supsida ham bahirlagan.
Only the Tibetan people should decide the future of Tibet. 100%.
Shuningdan keyin Xitoy hukumati Boston Kelintiklar klubining musobaqalarini NBA'ning Xitoydagi tarqitish supsi bo'lgan Tungshun tordan darhol o'chirib o'tgan. Enes Kanter Xitoyning turli besimlariga qaramasdan Xitoyning Uyg'urlarga yurgizayotgan zulmlarini darhol to'xtatish kerakligi haqida oldingi haftaning oxiri yana bir sin filmini ishlab tarqatgan. Enes Kanter mazkur sin filmida musulmon davlatlar rahbarlarining Xitoydan oldigan savdo manfaatini ko'zlab o'z dindoshlari bo'lgan Uyg'urlarga yurgizilayotgan zulmlarga sukut qilayotganligini qattiq ayblagan.
There is a genocide happening right now. Right now, as I speak this message. Torture, rape, forced abortions, and sterilizations, family separations, arbitrary detentions, concentration camps, political re-education, forced labor. This is all happening right now to more than 1.8 million Uyghurs, while my Muslim brothers and sisters are getting killed, raped, and tortured. I'm talking about you, Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan, Saudi King Salman, United Arab Emirates Mohammed bin Zayed, Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi. It's shameful and sad how you have decided to prioritize money and business with China over human rights. You call yourself Muslims, but you are just using that for show. You simply do not care about people. And this goes to fellow Muslim athletes as well. Why are you staying silent? Mohammed Salah, Karim Abdul-Jabbar, Amir Khan, say something, do something, speak up. Your silence and your inaction is complicit.
U zalimga hargizmi sukut qilmayman degan.
Heartless dictator of China, Xi Jinping, and the Communist Party of China, I'm calling you out right now in front of the whole world. Close down the slave labor camps and free the Uyghur people. Stop the genocide now.
25 oktyabr kuni Enes Kanter yana bir yangi sin filmini o'zining ijtimoiy taratquv hisobi supsida tarqatgan. U bu qatim Nike shirkatini Xitoyning Uyg'urlarni majburiy emgak selishiga qarshi turishga chaqiriq qilgan.
Dear Nike, your company says that you are making a positive impact in our communities. And that is true. Yes, you are. Here in the United States, Nike stands with the Black Lives Matter. Nike stands with Stop Asian Hate. Nike stands with the Latino community. And Nike stands with the LGBTQ community. And Nike remains vocal about injustice here in America. But when it comes to China, Nike remains silent. You do not address police brutality in China. You do not speak about discrimination against the LGBTQ community. You do not say a word about the oppression of minorities in China. You are scared to speak up. Who makes your shoes in China? Do you even know? There are so many forced labor factories in China. For instance, Uyghur forced labor in modern day slavery. And it is happening right now in China.